Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. In Python, pip is the package installer that is widely used to install and manage Python packages. Sometimes, when using pip install, you may encounter situations where the download takes longer than expected, or the default timeout is not sufficient for your needs. To address this, you can set a timeout value for the HTTP requests made by pip. Let's create a tutorial with a code example to demonstrate how to use pip install with a timeout. Make sure you have Python and pip installed on your system. You can set a timeout for HTTP requests made by pip install using the default timeout option. This option allows you to specify the maximum allowed time for the installation process. The timeout value is in seconds. Here's an example. In this example, the timeout is set to 60 seconds. Adjust the value based on your requirements. Another way to set the timeout is by using the pip_timeout environment variable. This approach allows you to set a default timeout for all pip operations. This sets the default timeout to 60 seconds for the pip install command. You can adjust the timeout value as needed. If you only want to set a timeout for a specific package installation, you can use the timeout option. This sets the timeout to 60 seconds for the installation of the specified package. In this tutorial, we've explored different ways to set a timeout for HTTP requests made by pip install. Whether you prefer using command line options or environment variables, adjusting the timeout can help you manage the installation process more effectively. Feel free to tailor the timeout values based on your network conditions and specific requirements. ChatGPT